Let's listen to Coach Code.
Position of the ball! You're taking two terrible shots! This is too important, fella! Too important! I'm gonna trust you out there, I'm gonna trust you to make decisions out there! Jumar! Take turn right here! Mark the devil! Come on! Now we gotta get it back! Gotta get it back our way! Got some momentum now! Don't let the game change, fellas, huh? Alright? Get back, get close, get a good shot! Let's make it stop, alright? Defense! Alright? Come on! We can do this, fellas, alright? Don't let this crowd get into it!
Tayo'y Pilipino, kahit anong kulay ng balat, isa sa puso. Mapatagalog, Bisaya o Ilocano, walang tatalo sa bagsik ng ating tubo. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, huwag nang pag-usapan ng mga negatibong pangyayari sa mampanika na sa mundo. Kinabukasan na natin to panalo. Yeah. Keep one in your mouth when you're lying and stay on my business or watch you dying. I'm taking my people to heights where you crying, but regular living, and that's what I'm trying to prove. Instead of just lying and booze. First true Filipino rapper on the news. Sit enjoy it if you're cool. Haters can snooze while I put my city on the map. 22 double O, Longapo City, no cap. Never forgetting the street where my cousin would sit when we always just listen to rap. Kendrick, M and ASAP with some metal and mammy, we turn up with that. Been mundane till the sun came, now we want fame like a kid in a trap. Hey, I've been in Spain, but the letter S is silent. I'm claiming my reign like a king so I can water crops for surviving. Go away if you trippin'. Had a homie who was crippin'. Ain't got no love for the people who talk over songs when they claiming they listen. These bars never done, 3 stars in the sun. Hey, blue, red, Drake down on the flag, no we never fear none. Most of us didn't grow up with a trust fund. Know that I'm willing to kill for a loved one. I'm on the move from nothing to someone, reminding my people to shout. Tayo'y Pilipino, kahit anong kulay ng balat, isa sa puso. Mapatagalog, Bisaya o Ilocano, walang tatalo sa bagsik ng ating tubo. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, huwag nang pag-usapan ng mga negatibong pangyayari sa mampanika na sa mundo. Kinabukasan na natin to. Hey, kung inakala mong isang lingwahe lang kayang gamitin ni Easy, may laka mapapala kung ganyan ka mag-isip. Kay bathala ka sisingil utang na galing sa loob na lumutang, hinain sa turon na may pusang sinaing sa... Ano? Okay. Uray mo nga ipagkakinyayo, ti o kinayo, di tuyak lang nagurturay mo sinuti.